So hello everyone, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn and Apply with Mohit. As I'm seeking a text-based functions. As I told in my previous video, I am explaining text-based function. This is one of the most important function in Excel. Right, there are different type of text-based functions as you can see in the two column: upper, lower, proper, text, left, right, mid, length function, bind, search, replace, substitute, trim, clean,
concatenate and text join. We will start with upper, lower and proper. In C column you can see upper. I will show you what is upper function. Upper function says
converts the text string to all uppercase letters. I select A2,
column. It will convert all the letters in the capital letters. All the letters are in the capital letters. Similarly, we have lower function for converting all letters in a text string to lowercase. I will take B2. You can see it is converted to lowercase. All the letters are converted to lowercase. And we have proper. Proper means first letter will be in capital letter.
Rest all of the characters in the small letters. Proper of
first name, then we have proper of last name. Then now you can see there are some trailing spaces
into the left of the first name after the left of the last name. Now we are going to remove those spaces using trim function. Removes all spaces from a text string except for single
spaces between words. This is my first name trim. So as you can see, Mohit has
with add extra space to the left, Aaron had extra space to the left, both are removed.
And then last name trim function applied across the last name, proper last name. So here also heading had left space, vacant has left space, both are removed. Now we will do use concatenate function. Text 1 will be this one. Then we will give some space. Then we will have text 2. We got the full name. We can also use text join to get the full name. Delimiter, what is delimiter here? Space is the delimiter, ignoring empty cells. Let's include empty cells. Let's ignore empty cells, that is 0. Then we have text 1, which is Rahul, and text 2, which is Kumar. Here also we got full name. So upper is done, lower is done, proper is done. Text function. This is a date function. Date value in
this is a date, and I have converted this into a text. Isn't text? I have converted the data. Data is text.
L2. Formula is text L2 y MMD. So this is called text function. Let's say left, right, and mid function. So if I say left of Daniel Richard, 8, 5. So it will give me DANIE. Similarly, if I do right of James, 3, 4, it will give me AMES. What is mid function? So let's say
if I'm being made a
text. Any text has written office vacant. Start number. Let's say 3. And number of characters. Let's say 6.
and there 1, 2, 3, 5 singing will be done. 4 character, then space at 5 character, in B 6 character.
These are mid function works. And length function. Length of any string. Let's say Daniel Richard. Will be
14, 6, 7, 13, and 1 space in between, that is 14 for this space. Now let's move to find search to base and substitute function. Before that, let's take
page trim and clean. Trim we have already done. And what is clean function? As you can see in this data, this is the data that we have.
Now using clean function, I have formatted the data into
Brought all the data in one row, one single row. I have breaking the line breaks. Then using trim function, I have removed the extra spaces in the data.
did not clean and clean function works. Now I will show you how the find
Search and replace and substitute function works. So this is the find function. So this is my A8. I'm finding. Let me do it here. Find text. Okay, which text you want to find? Let's say AN. Within the text A8. Start number can be anything. So this will give me 2. It's the index of the that value, that is 2. Search function, find text. Again, I will look for, let's say IE, or let's say OH. Within text, instead of OH, just write H. K9, it should give me 3. This is our find and search. Then we have substitute. Let's see how the substitute function works. Text. Let me show you the substitute.
this, and this.
Substitute text.
Test. Let's select Clinton here. What the test is?
TO. I want to replace it with TN. Okay, show here.
Now I'm teaching what is substitute. I'm substituting here with this with G. This new test.
Let me do it again. Substitute text, that is A8, old text. Old text is AN, and I want to replace it with
K. It's G.
As you can see, this is substitute. Now next function
Yeah, replace article string, text string with a different text string. Over text. That is Danny.
here start number 1, 2, 3. I want to start from 3.
The mode of characters. Cool. Name it as new text. G.
So I'm starting from third character, that is DAN. I'm starting from N.
I'm taking two characters and I am replacing NI with J. So there's space D, J. Yeah. But as in this case, I'm substituting A N with J. So there's why it's D, J, A, I, E. So that's all about this test-based functions. If we know in the comments, if we have any doubts. And please like me or just refer on the channel, as it takes a lot of effort when creating this videos. So let me review the refer to my channel. Thank you, happy learning, and all the best.